Welcome to our channel. Today we how to secure your freelance work with Upwork, quick tutorial step by step clearly. To secure your freelance work with Upwork, start by creating a professional profile. Use a clear and friendly profile picture that reflects your professionalism. Write a compelling headline that summarizes your expertise in a few words. In your overview, detail your skills, experience, and what makes you unique. Add specific examples of your past work to showcase your abilities. Select relevant skills from Upwork's list to highlight your strengths. Set a competitive hourly rate or fixed price for your services. Complete all sections of your profile to increase your chances of being noticed. Next, take Upwork's readiness test to demonstrate your commitment to the platform. Now, browse available jobs that match your skills and interests. When you find a job, read the description carefully to understand the client's needs. Before applying, research the client's history and reviews to gauge their reliability. Craft a tailored proposal that addresses the client's specific requirements. In your proposal, explain how your skills can solve their problems. Always include a call to action to encourage the client to reach out to you. After submitting your proposal, be patient and wait for the client's response. If selected for an interview, prepare by reviewing your proposals and demonstrating your expertise. Once you land a job, maintain clear communication with your client throughout the project. Submit quality work on time to build a positive reputation on the platform. Finally, ask for feedback upon project completion to enhance your profile. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.